Yes, yes, yes. What's going on, family? What's going on, guys? Let's get it. Let's get it. It is your boy Abel checking in one time, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're obviously tuned in from right now. Yes, family. Yes, family. Yes, family. What's going on, guys? Once again, welcome. Super excited to be here with y'all this morning. We're going to see what the market's got for us today. Absolutely. Absolutely. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, CJ in the building. What's going on, CJ? Appreciate you. We got Ram in the building. What's up, Sam Dollars? Good morning to you, my brother. Appreciate you. We got Free Zone in the house. Done for the week. This weather change got my whole family sick. We'll get better and return on Monday. Absolutely, 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 bro. It's important to know when to trade and when not to trade, man. That is so true. And I'm gonna be honest, family. Can I be honest with y'all real quick, man? We family, right? I know we family. I don't even need to ask if we're family or not, but I don't know, man. I woke up this morning just like low energy, not really wanting to do much. And I can't remember the last time I woke up feeling like something bad about to happen, to be honest with you. God forbid anything bad happens, but I don't know, man. But guess what? We're going to show up regardless. I'm going to get my energy up throughout the session. I ain't even getting no coffee, no drink today neither. Hold on. I might have to place a quick little order. I might have to place a quick little Starbucks order real quick for delivery. Give me 1 second, family, because I need a little get up. I need a little get up, 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 get up. I need a little get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I might get some coffee. I'm not even gonna lie. I might really have to get my caramel ribbon crunch today. Boy, I might have to do it. I might have to do it. Let me see. Give me 1 second, family. Good morning to y'all as usual. Like I said, man, appreciate y'all for tuning in this morning. Hopefully you guys are all having a great morning yourself. Let's see what we got here. We got Linda in the building. What's going on, Linda? Good morning to you. Looking I should have stayed on the charts and entered on the gold from the chart I sent to Discord. Yeah, probably, man. I didn't see no chart in the Discord. You probably sent it to the... I'm guessing you probably sent it to what? Profit Society Discord? You ain't send it in my Discord. The Wealth... Did you send it? Actually, you did send it. You did send it in the Wealthy Visions Discord, man. Shout out to you, CJ. I mean, yeah, gold. Damn, you sent that at London session open, right? Where was the market at? You did that on London session. Yeah, the market is just running today. You know what's crazy? That setup that you sent in the Discord, bro, was damn near perfect too. You had your entry at around the 2310 levels, 2310s. Let me go look at. Yeah, that entry would have been disgusting if you actually took that, bro. Holy moly. That thing is up 130 pips. 130 pippies from where you was looking at it, man. And I don't think this thing is going to slow down, family, right? We did have initial jobless claims that came out, which is, you know, adding a lot more fuel to this move that we're seeing here. You know, we've seen a bigger increase than it was expected in terms of people that filed for unemployment for the first time this week. And that's definitely driving, you know, dollar weakness for sure, right? Gold is moving. Pretty sure euro's moving, pound is moving. You know, the pound also did have their interest rate decision last night as well, which is interesting. But yeah, risk on is definitely the sentiment as of right now. And this initial jobless claims definitely fueled that movement. That was a crazy markup though, because your entry would have been picture perfect. All right, let's see. 1003 gang in the building. What's going on, brother? Oh, appreciate you. We got my boy Eric in the house. Today is dead for sure. Good morning, family. Absolutely. I mean, we're gonna see it's moving now, right? But is this initial jobless claims gonna be the thing that finally breaks us out of this little choppiness? Because this week has been honestly a super annoying week to trade in. Unless you're a little scalper, you know, and I don't say little as in anything, right? But unless you're a scalper where you're, you know, comfortable finding those quick little moves in and out. Yeah, you know, this week has been super choppy. Like, look at gold. Like, look at gold from the daily. Like, have we actually even done anything? Not really. Right, we've literally been stuck within this range here all freaking week. Now, again, we are seeing a lot of momentum to the upside here. You know, fueled by initial jobless claims. Really started to bring this thing back into just gave it a lot more strength, man. Now I want to see how we actually end up playing out here, right? I'm gonna be very patient today, as we've been all week, because there's always the opportunity where, yeah, we're seeing this thing break out to the upside. Could this be the start of a trend, right? That we actually start seeing this thing make moves? It's possible, right? Or is it possible that we just still end up staying super choppy, range bound within this range? That's also a possibility as well, right? But we're gonna see what we can get, because this thing is definitely moving right now. Ain't nothing we can do as of right now. We gotta just be patient. Let the market maybe pull back and give us a possible opportunity. And then we'll take it from there if we do get some, right? But yeah, it's, this thing is moving, man. Now let me see what else we got here. Turn into your positive frequency, man. I'm being honest, bro. Like I said, man, I'm definitely forcing myself to try to be more energetic right now. And the thing is, I had a really good night's sleep too. Had a good night's sleep, you know what I'm saying? Slept really good, woke up. But when I woke up, man, it just it's one of those days, man. You guys ever go through those days? I rarely have these days, right? You guys go through those days, fam, where you just wake up and it's just like, you just feel like, it's like, yeah. That's how I'm feeling today, right? It's like, damn, I woke up and I'm like, damn, I need to go back to sleep. Change my mood, get my energy back up. Who got some jokes for me or something? Who got some jokes for me, right? Who got something that could really wake me the hell up? Get me into my normal mood, normal positive, energetic vibe. Because right now I ain't feeling it, but we gotta show up regardless. We gotta clock in for work no matter what. So that's why we're here. I'll be lying to y'all, family, if I said I ain't feel a little weird today. But we gonna see. We on today's trading session, we can catch a banger to get me out of this little funk, right? Catch a little banger real quick, man. See if we can get some. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin better be pushing off of this news. Everything else is moving. Why wouldn't Bitcoin move? Okay. Come on, crypto. We need y'all to start flying for us. I mean, if Bitcoin could just run, that would definitely get me in an amped up mood. That would be fantastical. Let me see. What are indices doing? Indices are also trying to push up. Not trying. They are pushing up itself. The NASDAQ, the S&P, and US 30 are all trying to make some moves here. US 30 is pretty interesting because it might give a decent opportunity here. If this momentum can hold throughout the rest of the day, then yeah, this could be a nice little play here on the close above these levels for US 30, you could say. Because US 30 has been, essentially very much moving to the upside over the past month or so. We went through a nice period of correction over the past couple days. A strong move above here, strong closure above could probably, produce a decent opportunity, man. Could probably produce a decent opportunity. All right, let's see what else we got in the building, family. Terso in the house. What's going on, team? Big Papa in the building. What's up? What's up? It's like that sometimes. Sending good energy your way. I appreciate that. We got Tyson in the house. What's going on, Tyson? I appreciate you, my brother. Let's see. I cashed out. I got the fall right before that, too. So up for the day. I love it. I love it. Let's get it, CJ. Whole lot of liquidity on the higher time frames. Absolutely. I mean, these markets ain't do a damn thing in the past week. Like, super annoying week to trade. Super choppy. It just be like that, right? So hopefully we could get some type of action today or some. Let's see, looking for gold to push the 2328 range. 2328 range. Yeah, I mean, we're definitely. I mean, if we don't break this range, bro, then this might go down as one of the most annoying weeks to trade. But we see how we're having a lot of momentum right now, though. So we have a lot of momentum right now pushing this thing higher. Very simple corrective nature. We're breaking out, and now we're starting to really see another leg to the upside. So hopefully that can continue, and hopefully for us we can find an opportunity to get involved. All right, but let's see. I scalped some pips when I came in from work. Okay, didn't let my greed get to me. It'd be like that. That's good. Let's see. Good morning. What's going on, Leoma? Good morning to you as well. Let's see. Dre Trey play some BBL Drizzy. He said play some BBL Drizzy. Oh my goodness, that is hilarious, bro. Let's see, how do mice brush their teeth? With their whiskers? How do mice floss their teeth? Go get you one of them edible brownies. Nah. That might make me even more tired. That might make me fall asleep. Any type of edibles or anything like that, man. I just need this coffee. Hold on, let me finish what I was doing. Let me go ahead and place this coffee order real quick, family. Place this coffee run real quick. Like I said, I gotta get the big boy coffee too. I'm getting the super venti. Getting me the grande. No, I'm getting me the venti caramel ribbon crunch, man. I need the big boy today. Let me get some caramel syrup in that bad boy. Let me see, some extra caramel crunch topping on that bad boy. Let's see, do I want to get some honey packets in there? Hell nah. Do I want some affogato style shots? I don't even know what that is. Some vanilla bean powder? I'll pass on that. Lined a cup with caramel sauce? Absolutely. Definitely line that cup up. What are you talking about? No, I'll leave that go. Frappuccino roast. Frappuccino roast. Yeah, I think that's what happened. Alright, so we got that up in there. Let me see. Add to order. And I'm gonna give me a nice little bacon, egg, and cheese on a croissant. Wait, actually, I'm gonna give me a double smoked. Nice little double smoke. Nice little double smoke bacon. I'm talking about. Baby girl, I'm a dope keep it. Nice little double smoke. It be like that. Alright, so I got me a nice little caramel ribbon crunch. Double smoke bacon. Anybody else want to order? Anybody want some? Anybody want some? Do I place an order for you guys? Who wants some, family? Drop your order in the chat, man. I'll place it. I'll eat it all for y'all. Said I'll eat it all for y'all. Nah, I want the express. I'll pay the $3. I'll pay the extra $3 for some express. I need it to me immediately. I need it to me immediately. I'll pay an extra $3 to get it 5 minutes quicker. Absolutely. Yo, I actually seen a tip too, right? This guy Rick Ross. It's kind of funny Rick Ross gave this tip, but Rick Ross gave a tip the other day, right? He said, yo, if you guys want your orders faster from Uber Eats or DoorDash or something, just in the actual additional comments, just write big tipper. He said, if you guys want your orders to come faster with the highest quality, just write big tipper in the comments and then watch how fast that order gets to you. I'm about to try that method and give them a little bigger tipper. It's like a, let me see. Right, big tipper in the additional instructions, boy. Watch how quick they come with your order. Yeah, that's such a cheat code. Call me the big tipper, you heard me? Golly, boy, these. Alright, submitting order. Oh yeah, processing order. Let's get it. Big tipper, baby. Send me that ASAP. Needs that. Alright, cool. So it should be here in like 15 minutes. Hopefully with me writing big tipper in the comments, it comes in 10. Alright, so let's see, man. Hopefully that food and that caramel ribbon crunch. I ain't had no caramel ribbon crunch either in like a month or so. I've been on my strawberry acai refreshers. Trying to be a little bit healthier because there'd be so much sugar in those caramel ribbon crunches, man. But I need that for today. Alright, but let's see what we got here though, family. Let's see, man. Who else we got here in the building? What's going on, Carl? Have you looked at the SPY just yet? I mean, I took a quick little glance at most of these little indices. You know, looking at US 30, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ. I mean, most of these things have seen a little bit of a spike to the upside based off of the initial jobless reports or jobless claims that just came out. You know, we've seen an increase in these numbers, guys. Again, question that I want to add for you guys. Right, I want to ask you guys this question. With this specific release coming, I mean, there's no point in me asking you guys a question. You guys can look at the charts and know the answer, right? But either way, I was going to say, right, with this coming out higher than expected, right, signifying that we had more people file for unemployment this week, right, compared to what they expected and last week. I was going to ask you guys, is that bearish or is that positive for the dollar, right? Is that bearish or bullish for the dollar, right? But we guys can obviously just look at the market and be like, well, Abel, that's bearish. Duh, now we can see it on the charts. Right, but yeah, we gotta think about why is more people filing for unemployment being perceived as a positive thing for the economy? Right, who has the answer for that? Right, who has the answer for that? Right, why is more people filing for unemployment a positive thing or being perceived as a positive thing right now for the overall markets as a whole? That's a good question there. All right, let's see what else we got here. Good morning, Luli. How are you doing? Good morning, Victory. Always happy to join you live. I'm happy to see you guys as well. You guys are giving me back my energy. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm starting to feel myself get back into my normal self, right? So I appreciate y'all for showing up, man. This is the beautiful thing about having a community, family. The beautiful thing about, you know, being able to rock out with a bunch of people, you know, a bunch of beautiful people. You know, even when I'm feeling a little out of the weather, feeling a little down, you know, you guys are picking me back up, and it's phenomenal, man. And I appreciate y'all for that for sure. But let's see, I can't even DoorDash or Eats Nothing where I live. Sheesh. Say call the local gas station for a pizza. I mean, where are you located, CJ? Where are you located, CJ? All right, he said you got to call the local gas station for a pizza. I would be scared to eat local gas station pizza. I'm not even gonna lie, bro. I feel like that's just a recipe for disaster in your tummy. I'm not even gonna lie. Gas station food hits in the moment, but 30 minutes to an hour later, boy, you're regretting that you eating that gas station food. Let's see. Yeah, so again, that is correct, right? So I asked you guys, right? Why is this number, right? Why is the fact that we have more people filing for unemployment being perceived as a positive thing for the markets as a whole, right? Because look at gold, right? Gold spiked up, right? Indices ended up spiking up, right? So it's being perceived as a positive thing that we've seen more people filing for unemployment, and we got to understand why. Right now, I don't know if this is going to hold. I don't know if this spike is actually going to continue to, trend the rest of the day, because this entire week has been so choppy and so annoying. But the initial reaction is what we should have expected, right? And yeah, the reason for it is because less jobs, right? Less people employed, less spending can happen because now they have less money, and if they do have money, they're going to sit on their money. They're going to hoard their money a lot more. They're not going to be so quick to spend it, which is also going to help fight inflation, right? Everything always comes back, for now, always comes back towards how is this going to affect inflation? How is this going to affect the Federal Reserve's decision on interest rates based on their approach towards inflation? Right, so that's why we initially seen this little spike up here, man. But again, is this going to continue throughout the day? We'll have to see. Right, we'll have to see. We'll have to continue to watch the markets. Again, gold did spike up pretty nicely to the upside. The NASDAQ also gave a nice little move to the upside as well, and we'll see what happens. Let's see, DoorDash too expensive. I just go for a little cruise, Yeah. I feel you, bro. Trust me, if I wasn't on stream, and honestly, if my wife wasn't busy right now doing the drop-offs for the kids, like she normally brings it for me, right? But she doing her motherly duties, doing the drop-off, for the children and things of those natures. All right, but let's see what else we got here. It's humid as fuck. It's humid AF out there in Texas. It's humid AF in Texas. I wonder what does it feel like outside today? It's 70 degrees over here in beautiful North Carolina. It's 70 degrees, but super cloudy. 70 degrees, but cloudy. Let's see, Tennessee, 2 hours below Nashville. We got one fire gas station. The rest is a different story. Okay. Let's see, in these in order. Yeah, exactly. Depending on what happens around 23, 22, I'm taking a stab. Taking a stab in what nature? Are you looking to sell this thing? Because the way these markets been trading all week, like I wouldn't even be opposed to trying to fade this news right here. Because markets have been absolutely atrocious. Absolutely choppy. Like, look at our week. Like, this is literally our week right here. Like, look at this week. Like, boy. Like, boy. What a week we went through on gold. Like I said, for anybody that really scalps these markets, it don't even necessarily have to be a scalp, but, these type of choppy conditions, that I know people like to trade in, you've had a phenomenal week trading these choppy conditions for sure. But for me, I'm trying to catch a solid move that we can start trending, because even like this is our week right here, but let's look at the past couple weeks. Like the past couple weeks, again, same thing. We really haven't been doing much, right? Gold has truly been extremely choppy over the past couple weeks here. And yeah, man, it just makes it a little bit more annoying to trade. A little bit more annoying. Now, if you did catch this move from these lows, you don't even care about the trend, right? If you were able to catch this move, like that's 200 points, 200 pips, right? That's a big move right there, right? So yeah, if you would have caught this move, you could have called it a day after that. That would have been solid. Let's see, sending Bank Energy. I appreciate that, Tarika. Thank you so much. Trust me, I need it today. I need it. I'm definitely getting it back. I'm feeling myself getting back to my normal self here because of you guys, and I appreciate y'all. Let's see, it's absolutely gorgeous here in Miami. 81 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning is crazy. But that is gorgeous, right? Like, I've always, me and wifey talked about it a lot, right? Like, do we want to stay in North Carolina where it's super calm, relaxed? Like, I like North Carolina because it's nice and calm. It's slow paced, right? It's not too much fast craziness, and it's a great area to really raise a family, right? Again, I have 3 kids, right? So I always gotta move and think in terms of what's best for my children, right? And North Carolina's a vibe because of, the atmosphere and the environment you're in, right? But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't be surprised Don't be surprised if you guys see us move to Florida in the next year or two. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, right? Because it's just different energy when you can wake up and see palm trees out your window, right? Palm trees just provide a different, it's a different type of vibe, right? Like it's like you wake up in Florida, and because of the palm trees and the weather all year round, it's like you're on a constant vacation, which is phenomenal. All right, so again, don't be surprised. As much as I love North Carolina, there's really not much to do here, like at all, which is cool. But I need me some palm trees on the wake up. Or I want to see an alligator running through my backyard. That'll be fire. Let me see a little alligator running through my backyard. I don't know about an alligator, but like you just wake up inspired, right? In places that are extremely beautiful, extremely sunny, warm, got nice palm trees everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. So don't be surprised if in a year or so I'm over there in Florida. Probably not going to be Miami though. Hell nah. I don't want to live in Miami. I'll probably live in Fort Lauderdale or even West Palm Beach or something like that. I might even go to Orlando. Orlando's a vibe. I got a lot of family in Orlando. But again, y'all heard it here first. We have no plans as of right now of moving. But don't be surprised if we do. Somewhere in Florida. Somewhere in Florida. But definitely not Miami. Hell nah. Miami, we could just drive to Miami if we needed. You know what I'm saying? Let's see, it's 80 here too. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. And the thing about the humidity is crazy in Texas. Right? The humidity is nuts in Texas. Just like the humidity is also nuts in Florida, to be honest. You know, but that's what you gotta deal with. I wouldn't mind living in a drier place like Arizona. Arizona's a vibe, man. Like also I wouldn't mind moving to Arizona. Right, because again, it is extremely hot, but it isn't as humid, right? It's super dry. It's like you're like in a microwave though, which kind of sucks. In Arizona, you're essentially in like a microwave, just getting cooked alive. But it's cool because there's not that much humidity, right? Super beautiful weather all year round. I wouldn't mind Arizona. Let's see, we got my bro Drew in the building. What's going on, bro? Appreciate you, my brother. Let's see, gold forming nice trend line on the 1 hour though. Might just sit out the rest of the day. Yeah, I'm chilling, family. I'm chilling. Again, I wouldn't be surprised. We did see this spike up, but just because of how we've been trading all week, I wouldn't be surprised if we did see this thing come right back below the range. Like, I mean, yesterday, literally what we said yesterday, exactly what happened, right? Like, yesterday we were looking at the market. I'm like, man, we broke up, but watch it just stay super choppy, super range bound, and that's exactly what we did. Literally did nothing. Let's see, become a certified Florida man. I lived in Fort Mill, South Carolina for about a year, and I moved back to Miami. I mean, what's in Fort Mill, South Carolina? Like, is there like, I live at least in Raleigh, all right? Raleigh, North Carolina, there's not much to do, but there's something to do, right? And like, you can always find stuff to do, right? Now, Fort Mill, South Carolina? What the hell can you do out there? Like, literally, like, what is out here? Like, the population of the town, only 24,000 people in this town, bro. Like, what? Like, only 20,000 people live here? Like, bro. Yeah. I understand why you moved back to Miami. Let's see. I used to live in Havelock, North Carolina. Havelock. I never heard of Havelock. How far is Havelock from Raleigh or Charlotte or any of those, right? Because Charlotte's like 2 hours from me. I see West Palm is nice. West Palm is beautiful, right? West Palm is definitely more... I like West Palm Beach because, again, it'll be a dope area to really raise a family in. Right? It's still very nice. You know, it's not that far of a drive from, you know, down south in Florida. It's not that far from Orlando neither, all right? Maybe an hour or two. You know, but I feel like I could raise a solid family out there. You know? Let's see, what's going on, my brother George? G in the building, what's up? Tampa. Tampa's nice too, man. I wouldn't be opposed to Tampa. Let's see, Orlando has had one of the biggest rise in percentage for rent in the past year. So has damn near where I live now. Honestly, damn near the whole country has seen rent inflation go crazy. Let's see, if you plan on owning a home, homeowner insurance is through the roof. Absolutely. I mean, that would definitely be the plan, right? Anywhere I move to is definitely to, you know, start to purchase property over there, and I definitely understand homeowner insurance is probably insane living in those areas just because of natural disasters, you could say. It's 89 in Tampa right now. That's crazy. That sounds about 20-30 minute drive from Charlotte. Okay, at least you were close to Charlotte though, or at least that gives you something to do out there in Charlotte. You know, Charlotte is probably the most active, you could say, if you want to have things to do, like go to sporting events. You know, obviously the Charlotte Panthers are out there, the Hornets are out there. The only thing we have here in Raleigh in terms of like professional sports team, I believe, is the hockey team. I think it's the hockey team or something. It's like the only professional league we have here. I'll have to drive 2 hours to go watch the Panthers play, which is literally not that far though. Let's see, Charlotte gets you. Yeah, Charlotte's a vibe. I wouldn't mind moving to Charlotte either. Except my town has a population of 900 people. Bro, my high school where I'm from in New York had 4,000 people in it. How did my high school had more people than your entire town? Like, that's crazy. That is crazy. Let's see, Clearwater, Florida. Clearwater's nice. I've never been to Clearwater, right? But I know it's probably beautiful over there. Let's see, 90 this early. Y'all boys gonna have a hot sun. That's all I'm saying. 90 degrees at 8 in the morning is crazy. Let's see, you actually like, I mean, hockey's cool. Listen, I'm a fan of just competition, right? So if it involves any type of competition, I'll probably rock with it, right? Like, I've watched hockey a bunch of times. I watch golf, believe it or not. Like, I'll sit there and literally watch golf for hours, right? But I'm just a fan of competition. So no matter what sport it is, right? We could be talking about cricket, and I'll sit there and watch them play cricket just because it's competitive, and I like to see the back and forths. Let's see, Dallas would be a vibe. And listen, Texas, it's either, if I do move, family, whenever we do move, it's honestly probably going to be Florida, Texas, or Arizona. I wouldn't mind any of the, or Charlotte. I wouldn't mind Charlotte either, but for that I stay right here in Raleigh. All right, so I wouldn't mind any of those, but Florida, my wife does not want to go to Florida at all though. Like, she just doesn't rock with Florida. But Texas is a vibe, man. Somewhere Houston or Dallas or even Arizona will be a vibe too. You know, but we'll see. Let's see what we got here. My high school class had like 80 people. Bro, my graduation class, we had like probably like 500 people that graduated in my year. Like I said, my school was massive. Like, we had 3,000-4,000 students in that thing. Insane. That's what happens when you live in the inner city. They just be piling all in. Let's see, Hutland, Tennessee. I went to school pre-K to 12, graduated with 92 people in your class. I wonder how many people actually graduated in my class. We had a few hundred people though that graduated with us. Like, my school was so big, like, it was really broken up into 4 wings. Right, my school was so big, it like really broke up into like 4 separate wings that you can go to, right? We had the math, science, technology wing that you can specialize in. We had the music and arts department. We had technology. I forgot what they were. All right, but we had a massive school. Let's see, let's go to COD Champs. I mean, let's do it. Let's do it. Have you ever watched rugby? Yeah, absolutely. I've watched rugby for sure. I mean, I love rugby. I never played it. I think I'm too small to be playing some damn rugby because them boys is... I feel like with rugby, you either got to be extremely fast to get away from getting smoked, or you just got to be super brolic, right? And I know I'm extremely strong individual. You know, I am like 6'5", 200. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a big dude, but I'm scared of rugby. Let's see, we got the boy Devin in the building. Good morning, my brother. Appreciate you for tuning in, bro. You know the vibes. Let's see. Cricket is crazy. I used to hear them playing for days in my backyard. Yeah, I mean, where I grew up in Schenectady in New York, we had a massive Guyanese community, right? So they used to play cricket in the Central Park that we had over there. Literally every weekend they used to have like cricket tournaments all the time. All right, so it was pretty cool. I see. What about PBA? Are you talking about bowling? PBA bowling? Professional Bowlers Association? Is that what you're referring to, CJ? Because I'm gonna be honest. Like I know I be capping a lot here. Like I don't be capping a lot, right? I know I'm very, out there when I say things. Like I'm not 6'5". I wish. But I'm actually pretty decent at bowling. Like don't get it twisted. All right, I'm actually pretty decent at bowling. Like realistically speaking. Oh my straw. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my bad, mama. Yeah. My mama with the delivery. Damn. You see how quick that was, fam? I got my Starbucks already. I told y'all, put Big Tipper in the comments, man. That's a glitch, bro. If you put Big Tipper in the instructions for delivery for your orders on Uber Eats, DoorDash, whatever you use, boy, that thing's gonna come quick as hell. Yeah. Yeah. I'm telling y'all, that's a glitch. Shout out to Rick Ross, man. It's the Big Tipper. Yeah. Damn, that came quick as hell, boy. Like 10 minutes. Big Tipper. All right, let's see what we got here. What's going on, TJ? Appreciate you for tuning in, my brother. Let's get it. Let's see. Bowling is the only sport you watch. Bowling is cool, man. Like I said, I can actually bowl. Like I probably average, and this is like you guys might think I'm lying, but we can get busy if you want. Or I probably average around a 180 to 220 whenever I bowl and I take it serious. Like if I lock in and take it serious, I could bowl like a 230, 240 easily. Hella strikes. That's no cap neither. I could probably find a bunch of videos of you guys. I could probably go in the archives and find a bunch of videos of me going nuts. I'm telling you, Eric. You could think it's cap, bro. I'm telling you, but I get busy. I could bring up the proof. I gotta just find the videos. Abel forgot the whiskey. Imagine throwing a whiskey shot in here. See, now you guys are gonna make me go bowling this weekend just so I can record it for y'all. I'm telling y'all, I could bowl at 200 easy. I don't want to say easy. It'll probably take me like 2-3 games, but I could bowl 200s. Let's see. Do your family trade forex or is it just you? It's really just me, to be honest with you. A lot of my family is they rather do their own thing, you could say, right? They like the security of having a career or 9 to 5, and I respect them for it, right? It is what it is, right? So I'm really the only like real entrepreneur in the family, and I have a massive family, by the way, family. You know what? I have a question. How many aunts and uncles do you guys think? Like, take a guess on how many aunts and uncles I have. Like, my dad is one of a bunch, right? My father is one of a bunch. Like, for real, right? So I have a ton of aunts and uncles. I have like 80 to 100 cousins. Like I have a massive family, y'all. Like I have 80 to 100 cousins and second cousins. Like I'm telling you, like my family's massive. But most of them really, are just dialed in with what they do. So I'm like one of the only entrepreneurs, you could say, that's out here getting it on his own, grinding, hustling, showing up, trying to produce things, trying to create value. And it's cool. I'm gonna be honest. A few of them tried to trade, but trading is so hard, man. It really is discouraging when you just don't see the results you want. Let's see. Mel says she never heard you can't do it. I told you this. I feel like I could do anything I put my mind to. Like, I truly believe that. It's not no cliche saying, like, I truly believe that I could put my mind to. If I put my mind to it, I would be extremely good at it. Like, dead serious. Like, that's just my mindset. It's always been like that, right? So I always operate as if I'm really the best. So let's see, 30, 8 aunts, 10 uncles. Close, right? I have 7 aunts and 7 uncles. Like, it's like split in the middle. I have 7 aunts and 7 uncles, and that's just on my dad's side. That's just my dad's side. On my mom's side, I have 4 uncles and 2 aunts. Right, so in total, I got a shit ton of aunts and uncles. Right, which means, and they were producing heavy. Right, that's how I have like 80 cousins. Like 80 cousins. Like, that's insane, right? So I have a massive family. I really do. Yeah, look at this gold, man. Gold did drop. I mean, what did I tell y'all? Like, the way this entire week has been, bro, like, I'm not surprised we just came right back down. Like, this week has been so choppy. Right? Extremely, extremely choppy. Like, did all that spiking up for nothing. What is the dollar doing? Did the dollar also come back? The dollar is also trying to really gain some strength as well here. Interesting, right? The NASDAQ is still trying to push higher. The S&P as well. So indices are, I mean, the NASDAQ and the S&P are still trying to push higher here. But look at this, man. This thing ended up collapsing. Now, is there a chance for us to buy this thing back up, though? Right? Is this going to continue to drop now? Or are we going to just make another move back up? Let's see. Let's see. Kind of got away from bowling because I was about to spend a band plus on 3 new balls and probably new shoes. Hey, man, you got to invest into your skill set, man. And you got to invest into, you know, into the craft, bro. It'd be like that, man. Let's see, I picked up skating and bowling when I turned 19. See, skating. Skating is really my thing. And I'm not... Yo, it's going to seem like, yo, hey, bye, bro. We're not going to believe you anymore, bro, when you say... Like, skating, it was something that I used to do literally every day. Or, like, growing up, all from, like, the age of, like, 10 to, like, 18. I was literally... And I put this on everything I love. I was literally in the skating rink every single week. And I'm not just talking about once a week, right? We used to go Tuesdays. Tuesdays was a special night. I forgot exactly what the night was. We used to go Tuesdays, and we used to go Fridays and Saturdays. Like, that used to be our thing back in the day. Like, literally, right? You know, Rollerama, that's the name of the place. Rollerama back at home. We used to be in there every single week. And I ended up buying my own skates. And we used to have mad fun, right? So, yeah. Nah, we used to have fun. Roller or board? Well, it wasn't rollerblades. It wasn't skateboarding. It was just regular... roller skates, right? Like the 4 wheels, not like the rollerblades, the regular 4 wheels. Like, that was my thizzle. I used to be on like my ATL vibe. You guys remember the show ATL with T.I. when they used to go to the skating rink? I mean, do we have anybody in Atlanta here that used to go to like the Cascade skating rink? Like, that was me, right? Doing all the dances and the yeah. We used to have mad fun, man. So I can get on skates today and go crazy. Let's see, I think the Dixie is retracing back to 105. It could. It very well could. Let's see. I'm trying to see now what gold is going to do here, right? Is gold going to continue to fall here now, or are you actually going to try to just bounce right back up? Because gold now, best thing that I would like to see for gold is just come out, take out this entire low. Right? I really want to start trading outside of ranges, right? I've been getting caught trading within ranges, and I've been getting, you know, just dealing with a lot of choppiness, break evens, and things like that, right? So if this could continue to fall, and we can get below this 2310, oh yeah, I would love to buy the hell that. I would love to buy that back up. Like, I would love to buy that back up, right? So we'll see if this does continue to fall here below this 23.10 here. And I'm looking at it, you know, based on the futures pricing, right? If I look at it from, you know, regular XAU USD CFD pricing, you know, if we can get below the 2303, I think that would be a great opportunity to go ahead and really look for some longer term buys. And hopefully the market can just run. All right, I think that would be super nice. But we gotta see. You know, it doesn't have to necessarily go down there, but that's what I would really prefer to look for as of now. Let's see. Atlanta is here. Decatur, where it's great. A shout out to you, Keisha. What is going on? Let's get it. Let's see. Great days in Cincinnati. We had the Fun Factory. Hey, what happened? Hey, what happened, man? Why you lock me out? There you go. I'll tell me somebody found my password again for this account, bro. It's a whole new account. That'd be crazy. In Cincinnati, we had the Fun Factory and Golden Skates. Oh, yeah. The Dixie Bull has entered the chat. This dude said the Dixie Bull is here. Let's get it. All right, let me see what we got here, right? You did send us some markups in the chat real quick. Ended up catching. Okay, you ended up selling that gold. Did you actually catch that? Because that is, let me see. You sent the markup. Oh, yeah, you did send this markup too a couple days ago. You sent this markup 2 days ago. And price went exactly where you wanted to go tonight. You've been on fire. Yo, Saint, bro. You really been on one, bro. Like, this year has been your year so far in terms of, like, really predicting what this market gonna do. Because you really been crushing it. No lie. Absolutely been crushing it. Let's see what CJ looking at. CJ looking for the bounce off of that zone. I wouldn't be surprised if the dollar start to push back up at all. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. Isn't CPI next week? It might. I'm not sure, actually. It is next week. Holy moly. It is next week. That's going to be interesting. And we have PPI on Tuesday, CPI on Wednesday, and we got Jerome Powell speaking too next week. At least we know for sure next week we should get some type of trending markets. We should get some next week. As of now, we ain't been getting nothing. Let's see, bro keeps switching up. I don't know what to believe anymore. Let's see, man. Let's continue to watch this, man. Again, let's see what gold does here, man. Is gold actually gonna try to rebound here? Like, what you about to do, gold? What we got? We got 10 minutes for the open. What's the NASDAQ doing? NASDAQ is still holding pretty strong to the upside here. So is the S&P. It's still holding up higher. Let's get it. Let's see. Thanks for love. Need course 2.0. Oh yeah, absolutely. That one's gonna be a banger. Or just adding a bunch of different things to it. Boom, 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 boom. How you guys liking the background music, family? Do you guys like this background music, or do you guys prefer the trading playlist with Tyrone? Do you guys prefer this little background music, or do you like the playlist with, you know, the songs? You know, the blue party, get crazy. It's a nice little vibe. It's a nice little vibe, skis. Boom, 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 boom. These instrumentals are fire though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, these beats that I'm playing are there's some heat in here. Like some real heat. Boom, 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 boom. This made me wanna rap. This made me wanna. This make me wanna rap. All right, we're gonna turn on some. We're gonna turn on some drill beats. We're gonna turn on some drill beats real quick. Huh. Huh. Boom, 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 boom. Let's see, both mix it up. It's all playing out what I was looking at. I'm here from learning in the community since I be on that London most mornings. Nah, appreciate you showing up, man. I love the contribution, CJ. Let's see, neon songs, Tyrone, need them DJ sets. Background is cool. I'm feeling the vibe. How does one join your Discord? That is a good question. You still listen to the violins? I do have the violins, but they'll get me copyrighted here on YouTube. They'll get me they'll get me copyrighted on YouTube, unfortunately. That's why I normally either pay Tyrone, because he has no copyrights on his, or I play like this background music now. Can you play Let You Go one time? Absolutely. Alright, it seems like most of y'all like the Tyrone music. Okay. Say less. I think this is what I need too. Maybe get my energy a little bit higher. I just got mad loud. I'm sorry if I just blew your earlobes. Let's go back to our normal scheduled program then. I lost my reason. Talk it, Tyrone. Come on. Talk it, Tyrone. Talk to me nice. It's I see, how can one join your Discord? I got you. Gonna let it go. Every moment standing up to this shit in a row. If you want to join the Discord, you go ahead and just go to that link and then click on Discord access and you'll be good to go. And welcome to the family. Let's get it. I don't wanna go. Out of my mind. Better than be. Let's see what gold does. Again, I would prefer for gold to continue to drop at this point. If gold could take out this 2311, that would be nice, because then I'll be looking for some buys off of that 2311. Like a sweep down below there, I'll be looking for a reason to buy this thing up. In my soul. We're about 4 minutes out from the open. 3 minutes out from the open, actually. 3 minutes out from the open. Let's see what we get here. Every moment's in a to the this is in the row. Looks like gold, it might be trying to push back up here. Gold look like it might be trying to push his butt back on up here. Gold look like it might be trying to push itself back up here. And then I know. Do we go crazy and take this? Let's see. Let's see, Gold. Are you actually just gonna go up from here, man? You look like you might want to actually start moving back to the upside here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, gold looks like it really might want to push back up here. That's exactly what's happening. But the deals in the late time. I'm gonna down for the nighttime. Pull up. Game to Sunday. Come on now. Let's see. Cool 1K morning. Oh my God. Let's give a round of applause to Mr. Gavin in the building. Let's go, Gavin. 1K morning, bro. Like after making 1K in the morning, my brother. Now what you about to do for the day? Right? It's like, okay, you made 1K in the morning. Now what's the rest of the plans for the day after a day like that? Right? Like, all right, cool. So like what do we do next? Like I already accomplished what most people are gonna accomplish for a week. Like what do I do now? Right? Let's see what this 23.19. I mean, this gold is pushing back up, man. It is starting to move back to the upside here again. Let's see, 15-minute engulfing on NASDAQ for the sell skis. We filled the wick over here to the left. It's actually pretty nice. Put up the move, put up the fake. Insta-dud. He said insta-dud, don't listen to me. Hey, no, this could just be coming back up to retest, bro. This really still could spike back lower here. Like, if we get a close back below, you know, this 18,190, it might give some. You never know. All right, now again, we literally just opened, though, by the way, too, so. That spike up could be just because of the open. This could still very well go back down, but we'll have to see. Let's let it play out. Is it gonna do this for play? Yeah. Cover the zone in my vein. Jamming, I'm running my race. Yeah. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play. Jamming, I'm running my race. Yeah, look at the NASDAQ now. How do you feel now about it? Should we not listen to you no more, Eric? Should we still not listen to you? Because I'm telling you, I mean, we're still within the first 5 minutes of the open, but I'm telling you. I'm gunning, yeah. I mean, I'm running my race, yeah. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play, yeah. Catching me about it all day. Yeah, look at this gold. Gold is trying to push back up. Yeah. Probably catch a little 10-point move here on the NASDAQ. Body on me, body on me. I actually just realized I could share this playlist too, which is pretty dope. Hold on, let me see if I can share it real quick. Bottom me. There's the playlist that I have right there. Let me know if you guys can open that playlist link. Let me know if you guys can open that playlist link. Yeah, this guy Christian loved this song right here. This is your vibe, huh, Christian? You like this body on me, huh? What is it about this song right here, bro? What is it about this song you like so much, bro? This song is a vibe, but every time this song comes on, Chris like that, bro. That song right there, bro. I need that one. This song is a vibe, though. Again, family, I'm still not in anything right now. I'm still chilling, you guys know. Still watching, man. Seeing what we get here. Body on me. On me. Body on me. The body on me. Get that body on me. Body on me. I see. I love cruising and smoking. I hear you, bro. That is a nice little cruise song. Just riding through the freeway, blunt in your hand, getting real high. Just listen to the man. You know what I'm saying? I feel you. Body on me. Let's see. He said, well, that worked out. Nah, Eric, you said not to listen to you, Eric. You told us not to listen to you, bro. I was going to take the trade too, but you said, nah, Abel, don't listen to me. I'm like, damn, Eric. Now I missed out on the banger, bro. How did your stop loss get hit? We ain't even enter a trade yet. The ad-libs are crazy on this song. How you read? Coach, I'm red. Coach, I'm red. How you read? This is a diss track to everybody, by the way. This is Tyrone's version of a diss track to y'all that don't listen. Like literally. This is the best diss track of 2024. Stay woke. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Facts. Nah, this really is a diss track to y'all, though. This is dumb funny. This is a diss track to the chat. It's hilarious, bro. Coach, I'm red. How you red? Like, how? What? How? How you red? Coach, I'm red. How? How you red? What? Facts. Look at the news. Only time will tell. Coach, I'm red. How you red? Nah, this song is elite. This song is elite. We're gonna have to run this one back. This song is elite, and it's elite because it's really a song. It's a diss track towards the chat, like for real, for real. No, it's not me specifically saying it to y'all, but y'all know how it is with people in the chat. They just take matters into their own hands, straight all randomly, and they get upset at the teacher. Like, bro, how? Coach, I'm red. How you red? Coach, I'm red. If it is easy to do, hey, hey. Facts. Yeah. Living the dip all live. He said if you don't enter in the right place, your whole account's gonna die. How you red? What would I do? Coach, I'm red. How you red? How you red? Coach, I'm red. We can be red too. He said, doesn't matter if we're blue. Someone gonna be red too. That's a fact. Doesn't matter if we blue. Someone gonna be red too. This is the FOMO, dude. You do it to your head. These little be red too. Coach, what do I do? Who's dripping in the FOMO? I know some of y'all dripping in the FOMO. But did it go over your head? Coach, I'm red. Yo, no lie, this is really gonna be like anytime we take a loss on stream now, this is gonna be the song we play immediately after a loss, bro. This song is just so funny. No lie, after a loss, we're playing this song, family. Like, we have to. This song is so hilarious. Like, it really is hilarious. How you read? There's a twist, though. You're holding them at gunpoint. If they do well, the coach is clearly not the problem. 2022 all over again here in this track. I'm telling you, this track is so funny, bro. Yeah. Coach, I'm red. How you read? Let's see what we got here, family. Still watching this stuff. Still watching this, man. Yo, the only thing that's really like that annoys me is I truly think we're probably just gonna stay range bound, bro. Like, that's the only thing that annoys me about trying to get into these entries here. Like, at this point, I think I need to wait for a break out of the range. I mean, we did break out of this little range up in here that we could have possibly shorted from, but back into the range. But these markets have been just so choppy all week. That's why I don't know if I want to buy gold for that reason. I think gold probably has a better chance of just staying in the range, possibly coming a little bit lower. But we have to see, man. The data itself, the fundamentals, in my opinion, are supporting possible upside here. Like, I would like to look for more upside here on gold, just based off how the news came out. But these markets have been so choppy, man. I wouldn't be surprised if we did actually just come all the way back down to retest the 2300s or 2311s or so. Like, I wouldn't be surprised at all about that. Let's see. I don't think Gucci has a FOMO lot, so can't be tripping out in it. Stack it. Gotta grab the partials. Set it, forget it. Where is set and forget? Actually, that's a song right there. This song is a banger. Set it, forget it. Set it, forget it. Yo, this song will be what's his name? The one dude that has his brand is like set and forget it. Alex. This should be his theme song right here. Crazy thing is, Tyrone been talking about setting and forgetting positions for like 4 years now, 5 years now, before he actually branded, you know. But this need to be his damn theme song right here. I'm on the mode. I'm on the bigger than the gold. Damn, NASDAQ is still falling, bro. The NASDAQ is still falling, bro. This thing ended up falling almost 200 points? Nah, no way. Stop, like... Take profit. Set it. And forget it. It dropped like 60, 70 points. Take profit. Set it. Forget it. Set it. Forget it. Set it. Get it. Take profit. It ended up being about a being. It ended up being. Ended up being. Know what I mean? Don't wanna see till we hit TP. Set it, forget it. Set it. Take profit. Set it and forget it. Take profit. Set it and forget it. Take profit, set it, and forget it. Let's see, man. Let's see. What is gold gonna do? Are we actually gonna go higher? Are we actually gonna break out here for gold? You know, when something to lose. Yeah, gold looks like gold is still trying to push back up here, man. Gold is really trying to push back up here. Let's see if this does continue. See, do you have Pips Pay My Bills? I think it should be on here, yeah. Do I have Pips Pay My Bills? Take profit. Set it. Forget it. Set it. Forget it. Take profit. See, I don't have it on this playlist actually, but I'm pretty sure I can find it real quick. That song is so tough though. That song really is tough as hell. Profit. We do got lamb chops. This song is so tough too. I'm in my zone. I'm telling my damn don't let y'all see about lamb chops. Better dip that. And a minute do better. Let's see, Gold. What you about to do, Gold, man? What you about to do, Gold? You about to just continue higher? NASDAQ fell all the way back down to the lows here. The S&P is moving a little bit slower there. See, look at this. Like, YM is pushing higher here, right? The NASDAQ fell. YM is flying. The S&P is in the middle. Who's lying here? Like, one of these suckers are lying. And I might want to think that it's the NASDAQ. I might end up buying the NASDAQ right here, fam. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I really think the NASDAQ might be lying here. I might buy the NASDAQ here. Got lamb chops. Yeah, I'm buying the NASDAQ at these levels. I'm calling the pump fake here. I'm calling the pump fake on the NASDAQ here. I'm calling the pump fake here on the NASDAQ. Because YM is flying. US 30 is flying. The S&P is turning back around. Yeah, I'm comfortable taking this stab. It is what it is. We'll see what happens here. What's gold doing? Gold is still chilling. We got a nice little 1 minute engulfing down here. Swept this low. Swept this 1 minute low. I'm not risking much obviously on this, so my stop loss is going to be below this swing low down here, because if we break out this, if we take this swing low out, then yeah, we're probably going to come all the way back down to retest these lows. We'll see if we can get this nice close on the 5 minute like this. If this 5 minute can close like this and the volume can start to increase as well, that would be fantastic for us. That would be great. That would be fantastic. I just need this volume to pick up a little bit more. But come on. So I am in this NASDAQ family and we're just gonna let it go. Let's see, 17,980. Shoot, for the sake of my position, I hope we don't go any lower than this. But it definitely could. I wouldn't be opposed to it because we do have these wicks left behind right here that we might want to go ahead and target, but I'm chilling. I'm gonna take this and rock out. Nah, this song right here is tough too. If I take a L, I'm calling it a week for sure. The Wendy's. Baby mama, that's a full like Wendy's. Whew. Nah, I forgot. This song right here is so... Hold on, I gotta restart this. This is an artist from back home, back in the 518, my hometown. But this dude is so nice. Shout out to Freaka, man. This song right here is hard. Like, just listen to the lyrics on this bad boy. This boy is spitting on this thing, man. Full like Wendy's. He said, 4 kids, 4 baby mamas. That's a full like Wendy's. The Wendy's. 4 baby mamas. That's a full like Wendy's. Said Doja Cat. Stick with your plan, absolutely, always. Take me, grab my time on time. Let's see, what's the name of this song? This song right here that's playing, this song is called Streets Remix. But you're gonna have to get it on SoundCloud though. I don't think this is on Apple Music though. You probably have to go to SoundCloud to get it. That's where I'm listening to it right now, SoundCloud. We gotta restart this song. This song is so tough, it really is. But yeah, this is on SoundCloud though. This is not on Apple Music. Let's see, isn't the Dixie bearish, bro? I am leaning towards bearish, which is why I'm fine with this buy here. All right, because I'm looking at the news itself, right? And this is why I like this, right? And why I was okay with taking this buy, taking this stab. Just because the data itself came out very bearish to dollar, in my opinion. Bullish indices, especially with, you know, income claims coming out higher than it did. More people filing for unemployment. I think that is bullish indices, right? And then us seeing this sell-off right here, essentially taking out this, you know, level of structure, right? This internal range structure point right here, grabbing that liquidity within that range. You know, I'm comfortable taking that, right? You know, and seeing how we started to react here on the 1 minute time frame. You know, that was really why I ended up just jumping in right here on this 1 minute engulfing here, supported by volume. I'm like, you know what? I'll take a little 1 minute live OB and just let this thing play out. You know, if we win, we win. If we lose, then so be it. Right? But I'm in there and we'll see. But this is gonna be probably my last setup for the, you know, for the day. If I take a L on this, it might be my last setup for the week on this account, on this specific account that we're trading here together. It'll definitely be my last trade of the week because I'm probably not gonna be live tomorrow because we don't have no major news or anything. But yeah, we're gonna let this thing rock out. Again, I'm not risking much, family, right? I'm risking maybe like 0.25, maybe 3% on this, 0.3%, maybe 0.5%. On this, but so we're not risking much either way, so we just let this thing ride out with no fear, no emotions, and just let it play out, man, and see what happens. All right, let me play this song again. This song is tough. I get why you said this, Doja. I think this is a remix of Doja Cat's song. We let the witness talk. Let the witness talk. So I'm waiting on my 1003 entry. Yeah, 1003 gang is still here, man. We still got the 10 o'clock candle too in a couple minutes, so we'll see what that 10 o'clock candle produces, man. That's a full like Wendy's. Take garbage. Take phone with you. Yeah. 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 You're gonna make me quit my time. Let's see. Couldn't sweep the low. Come on now. Think the direction is set in stone for the day? It's possible. Let's see. Hoping that 1OB is capped, because I'm gonna be a little sad. I'm trying to leave those alone. It was crazy, bro. You really used to take a ton of 1 minute stabs for sure. All the time you used to take those 1 minute stabs to see what happens. Let's see, what's gold doing? See, gold is pushing up too, right? I mean, with gold, the way gold is going, I like that. The S&P is pushing, the NASDAQ. Look at US 30. US 30 is just trying to fly right here. So I'm comfortable with this, man. We're gonna see that. Hopefully we can go ahead and continue, but I'm definitely comfortable with this trade right now. Hopefully that 1 minute live old bizzle can really hold for us and play out nicely. That'd be nice. Here's another banger. Yeah. We maxing our zooms. Way before it was cool to do so. We packing our rooms. Going state to state because we on tour. All about power moves. We after growth and we always want more. Impact is my groove. That chairman knocking right on my back door. We be maxing our zooms. Way before it was cool to do so. We packing our rooms. Up around 10 points right now. It's NASDAQ. And we always want more. Impact is my groove. Chairman knocking right on my back door. Back door. You know what we after? These dollars, my babies, I stacked them like crazy. I'm thanking God like a pastor. We up like 20 points actually. I still need to sit in on the. Yeah, I'm the money master. Sheesh. And now I'm on the road to greatness. Stacking up all of these shots. I knew I was going some places. And now all that was a patience. And took like on with some. And now we speaking on stages. And life is looking amazing. Let's see what we got here. 1003 gang, where you at? For real, 1003 gang, where we at, man? Everybody stand up, man. Everybody stand up. I know I'm a little bit less energized than normal, but we still here. We still showing up, man. 1003 gang in the building. We got about 3 minutes for that 1003 to show up. What's going on, Harsh? I appreciate you. So the only thing that I actually was comfortable taking as of now is this NASDAQ buy, which you guys can see is it's going solid right now, man. But we can't ever get too high. We can't ever get too low in these markets, man. We gotta just let them play out and just deal with the outcome. Yeah, I'll have to call. Boom after zoom. I'm about to put in over. I'm about to with the yeah. Listen to this remix right here. This guy Friga. He went crazy on this. Listen to this right here. This is a banger.
Mama said she always knew that I'd be right, like I was made of neon. Let me tell her I had powers like she raising Dion. We done grew up on that shit she wouldn't think we be on. Booking niggas like what page we on. But yo, that was in my adolescence. Yeah, I said book a nigga adolescent. I ain't learned mine, they wouldn't let us like salad dressing. Designed for us to fail, that's at correction. Parole mad depressing. When it's a 5'9" building in the yard, and the hatch is on the move. 30 days to go home, and your address not approved. You ain't heard from gangs, well that'll bring the savage out of you. Press a bitch about her fucking, but she had the attitude. You in a monastery, came up from the box, nigga solitary. Staff niggas acting like bitches, you know them Tyler Perrys. When you're only 19, shit get kinda scary. Spent your whole stash up top, you don't got a dollar buried. Fresh on glow, you tryna keep up with the times. Red bone hoe, you tryna beat it from behind. Reporting twice a week, you know from being with the slimes. I think my piss still dirty, I ain't peeing out of mines, no way. Trying to keep it clean, Olay. She used to suck me under covers, now she going both ways. Trying to get a job with no experience, low pay. And I like a nigga with an attitude, oh shit. Oh shit.
Nah, he went crazy on that. Let's go back to our trading music though, family. Let's go back to our trading music, man. We gotta lock in and listen to some trading vibes real quick. Let's see. Need dollar to close solid above 105. I don't want the dollar to close above anything for my trade to play out. I want the dollar to keep on dropping. Right, the lower the dollar goes, the more likely my NASDAQ runs. Right, so we did get some solid 15-minute closures here. We do got the 10 o'clock candle. 10:03 gang, stand up. It is 10:03 in the building, family. Let's get it. 10:03 gang, stand up. Let's see. Do you believe we have high of the year for USD? That's a good question. I don't know if we have high of the. We might actually, to be honest with you. Like, we really could. Like, there really is a possibility that we do, right? But we just really don't know. But there is a very big possibility that we really could have the high of the year set in. Especially with the trend that inflation has been on. I mean, inflation's been upticking a little bit, but the tone that Jerome Powell had, yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if it is set for the year. So. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. Let's see, in gold buys. What's gold doing? I mean, gold is still pushing too. Gold's still solid, man. Gold did continue to go higher. I'm gunning, yeah. But that is a hit in my face. This is real life, not a phase. We're up around a 101 right now, family. We're up around a 101, which is not bad. We are going for around a 2.63 to 1 risk to reward here, so. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play, yeah. Everything matters all day. Jumping is all in my mate. Chairman, I'm running my race, yeah. That's just always precise. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Remember, this is our Blue Party song. This is why I played it. Family, we in profit. We gotta play the Blue Party song when we in profit, baby. Come on. Come on, Lee. Come on. What I'm about to do too, family, since we are 101, I am gonna go break even on this. And you guys know, per my rules, anytime I go break even, I do have to close a position. So I'm gonna close one lot here. I'm just gonna close one lot here, nothing crazy. I'm gonna close one lot. I mean, we're about to get damn near close to our TP. We might as well just let this ride out. Matter of fact, I'm gonna be disciplined, right? So we're gonna close one lot here. Let me adjust these units as well. We did secure some partials, so we are now officially a W for the day. Let's get it. I am gonna adjust my stop a little bit, or my TP a little bit higher, because I think we could really run here. Continue to run for the rest of the day, hopefully. You know, a continuation of this bullishness will be phenomenal for us, but hey, that's a W day, man. W's in the chat, man. Let's go. Entry is my destiny. Entry is my patience. Now we can't lose on this position. We already secured one standard or one contract. Our stop is at break even. And now we just let this thing ride out. Pull up. Pull up. That's what funded. I'm gunning, yo. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play, yeah. 10:06 gang. How to close partials? Just go ahead. If you're in a buy, bro, just enter a sell for however many contracts you want to close. Like for me, I ended up wanting to close one, so I adjusted this up here to 1, and I just entered a sell instead, and it'll close it out. Right, but if we were in a sell order, like if we were in sells, then we would have to click the buy, and it will close it out for you. But you do have to adjust your limits as well, though. Right, once I close partials, my limits stayed at 4 contracts, which is what I entered. I just had to double click it and just modify it to make sure that that you have the correct limits as well. Let's see, this stops me. I'm gonna have to take a week off or some. Hey, sometimes you do gotta recollect your thoughts, bro. Not even gonna lie. Sometimes you gotta do that, man. Be like that, for real. What side of NAS are you in? So we took some buys here. Took some buys off the 18,133 level. You know, we were able to catch a nice move. Right now, like, we're up around, even at current price, around 16, 17 points or so. We were up above 20 points when I ended up taking partials. So we took partials damn near at the tip here, which is cool. But now we just gotta let this thing ride out, man. Hopefully, best case scenario is that even if we do pull back, this 18,150 level holds, acts as a support, and we just continue to go to the, you know, to our TP. Worst case scenario now at this point is just comes back and hits that break even. All right, but either way, that's why we secured a little bit of partials and we let it ride out. Either way, it's a W. On this on the yeah, champion, I'm running my race, yeah. That crazy, y'all in buys and I'm looking for sells. I mean, where are you looking for sells from? You looking for sells anywhere up in here? Because it still could. Again, we already made, you know, we caught a couple pips or a couple points. You know, we good. Obviously, I think we do continue to go bullish here. I am very, I think the data that came out today does support more upside here for indices, and that's what I'm hoping for, obviously. But you never know. The market gonna do what it wants to do. So definitely don't allow me taking a buy to stop you from taking sells, right? If you truly believe it, right? Because again, my buys are from down here. Right, I don't think you're looking for sells down here anyways, right? So, you know, don't allow me and buys stop you from looking at what you're looking at. You know, take what you got to take and just see what happens. This is real life, not a phase. I see dirty 30s flying. See, the S&P looks like it really could sell though, right? We just took out all this range, all these highs right here. Took out all this buy side liquidity within this range here. If you get something that prints down there, it really could possibly, you know, come back down. But I'm just gonna hold my buy here, family. I truly do think we're gonna continue to go to the upside here for the NASDAQ. So I'm just gonna let this ride out. Let's see. I was looking for XXX buys, couldn't find an entry. Honestly, I think that's the best direction to look for, just based off the news that came out today. You know, again, it's news that comes out every week, the initial jobless claims, but I think dollar weakness was really the play for today. I see gold is flying. Oh, gold did fly. Okay, gold. Talk to us nice then, buddy. Talk to us nice then, buddy. Gold is moving nicely. Is gold finally gonna break out of the... Is gold gonna finally break out of this range that we've been stuck in all week, or are you just gonna continue to be annoying, gold? Right, is gold gonna finally break out, or is it gonna continue to be annoying? On my body, on me. Come on, NASDAQ, reach our TP, baby. Come on. Keep going for us. Let's see, I'm done for the week. Took 15. Hey, man, that's a W, man. Let's get it. That's a W. We'll take that. We'll take that. Let's get it. Come on now. We'll take it. And I'm gonna make your face. Body on me. Body on me, yeah. I just wanna make your face. Body on me. Body on me. So is it a buy or a sell?
Why does everybody profit except for me? I'm red.
Let's see what else we got here. Took 15% off my trade and stopped sitting a little off from 1%. Let's go, CJ. It's Thursday already. Week is flying out. The week is flying, bro. Went by super fast. This week is absolutely flying. Let's see, looking for big steps. But 23.43, that'd be nice. US 30 distancing. Absolutely, Cassandra. US 30 actually did go kind of crazy. Look at this thing. US 30 is still going. US 30 is still going. Sheesh. Holy moly, look at this thing, boy. Oh my goodness. Quick little 130 pips, or I need to stop saying pips. 130 points to the face real quick. Holy moly. Let's see, this song is banging for real. You guys really like that either Body on... That Body on Me song is tough though. It might be one of y'all favorite. 1 minute, gonna feel right. The S&P is also trying to push up here. We did sweep these highs. Again, the S&P now clearing all these highs right here. Like, we took out a lot of liquidity above these levels right here. This thing really could push back down. Let's see. The NASDAQ is pushing back. Is it going to hit me at break even? Is it going to hit me at break even? Probably. Entry is my... Basic of my patience. We just took out all this liquidity, tested up to these highs. Yeah, the S&P gonna come right back in the range. NASDAQ is definitely gonna come back and hit me at break even. Absolutely. So what is US 30 about to do? Is US 30 about to come back down too, or is it gonna just continue dominating? Let's see what US 30 ends up doing up here. I think US 30 does. If the way these other assets are moving, man, like the NASDAQ and the S&P, and how they're coming back down pretty hard, like US 30 really might be coming back down too. And the phase. This is real life, not a phase. We just don't do this for play. Yeah, this really might come back down. Chairman, I'm running my race, yeah. Let's see what we get here, though. Sheesh, look how close it came to stop me at break even. If we survive this and it pushes all the way back up, then that's gangster. If we survive this, that's gangster, boy. Because this thing came so close. Like, literally, oh my goodness. Came within literally half of a point. Came within half of a point from hitting our break even. Sheesh. Pull up, boo, pick up. If we survive this and it goes back up, holy moly, that'd be beautiful. Let's see. Where do you see the Dixie going? Looks like it's going to the 104 level. I see. I mean, yeah, this thing is falling hard. I think we definitely go ahead and yeah, I can see us definitely getting to the 104s, right, for sure. Especially if we do end up, remaining bearish for today. Yeah, I would assume that we're probably, especially if we close bearish for the day, right? I would assume that we're definitely going to come down, at least fill this wick here at the 104, not 190s. Possibly even coming towards, the 103.5s for sure. I could definitely see that happening. I could definitely see that happening. I'm running my race, yeah. It's crazy how this literally came within a half of a point, boy. That's crazy. Let's see. My computer just died. That's tough. I want YM to sleep liquidity at 39,350. It hit your break even, Linda. Yeah, it came so close to mine. Let's see, on CFDs that would have taken you out. Absolutely. The spread definitely would have took me out if we were trading CFDs. Absolutely, it would have. No questions asked. But again, possibility we do, unless we can get back above this, 15150s. If we can get back above that, then I'll be very confident that we go to RTP. But if we stay below this, then yeah, it's probably just going to continue to go back down. So, yeah, this thing about to probably go back right now. But it's all good. We're gonna let that thing hit. We ain't gonna stress. We ain't gonna let that stress us. It be like that, man. It was a good setup. Solid play. We do what we do. Futures over everything? Absolutely. That's why future market is cool, man, because, you know, essentially no spread whatsoever on these things, man. What's gold doing? Is gold still pushing? Gold is chilling now as well. We started to pause above these highs here. Again, like, even looking at gold, now that we're above these highs, there is a chance we do push back down. All right, grabbing that liquidity above those highs, man, could really, you know, cause another move lower here, but gold to 23.42. I mean, I would hope it does. Like, I will hope it continues to go here. Shoot, that will. But yeah, I mean, it's possible, right? It's possible for us to come test these highs for sure. The only thing is, again, we're now starting to clear some highs, right? And more times than not, there usually could be, you know, some resting liquidity above there, right? And just seeing how a week, you know, there could be a place where we could just continue, but there's also a chance where we do just come right back down to stay choppy before we make it up there. But I mean, again, I hope it does continue to go, right? Like, don't even give us no pullback. Just keep going, right? Because then hopefully that can tell NASDAQ, hey, listen, follow my lead, right? And hopefully the NASDAQ can go. But yeah, this NASDAQ gonna break me out. There you go. Hit me at break even. Hit me at break even. So it's cool though. That's the type of week it's been, man. It's been a super choppy week, super annoying week to trade in, man. Super choppy. Now, if this thing turns back around, it's probably gonna piss me off. I'm not even gonna lie, right? At this point, NASDAQ, now that you hit me at break even, you better continue to drop. Don't play with me. You better continue to drop. Shoot, because now if this does go after hitting me at break even, yeah, that would be super annoying. See, gold is still pushing though. This is gonna be annoying, family, if this does go. Cause I ain't even want you to give us this deep of a like, what's up with you, man? Like NASDAQ, any other time you just run. Right? You don't be doing these little short pullbacks. Like normally you just go. Alright, but it'd be like that. So I'm officially out. Shoot, I'm out. Let's see, it's at 23.42. It's at 23.42 if we're looking at gold from the futures pricing. Right, but CJ's not trading based off the futures pricing. Right, so he's still got a little ways to go. 23.42 on CFD pricing. But yo, that gold is going. That tells me NASDAQ really could just go ahead and bounce back up, and that's gonna piss me off. That's gonna pee me off, man. Super annoying week, family. Super annoying week. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I mean, at least we ended the week somewhat profit, but like, and way more profit here. We could have been in way more profit here. That's tough. Now look at the NASDAQ. If this thing really goes, bro, I'm gonna go cry in my corner. I'm gonna go cry in the corner and just let it all out. Again, I'm not upset because it is what it is. We did what we did. We ended up, you know, closing at least one contract. It's not much at all. We ended up making like $100. $100 is better than $0. You know, but like, bro, you literally just barely hit my break even, and now you're flipping back up, bro. Like, see, this shit is annoying. It be like that, man. Every boss gotta take a loss. That's a fact. Every boss gotta take a loss. Every boss. That gold buy is crazy. I think it's doing. YM is still going too, bro. That's a being. Oh man, yeah, family, it's time for me to go cry in the corner. Let's see, low key lit with music. Got my computer on the soundbar and everything. Oh yeah, you're having a good old time over there. Let's see, just got out my NASDAQ, bro. Feel a little conflicted. Cool though. Hey, better than anything though, bro. I'm definitely glad that you at least trusted yourself. Right, definitely glad you at least trusted yourself. You know, we're able to make something, right? But for me, this thing literally hit me, literally by the point, stopped me out at break even. Literally, I'm talking about like literally by the point, and now this thing is back up. It's time for us to go cry in the corner, Eric. I gotta go cry in the corner now, family. This is the type of week it's been though. Super choppy, super annoying. Like these are the type of weeks that cause traders to really say, "F it, I'm just gonna bet it all on one trade." Right, because you're just so frustrated. All right, so like, look at this thing, man. Again, I did take a partial up here, for one contract. We got a really good entry up there, but it'd be like that, man. These are the weeks you do gotta just take off and be like, you know what? Let me just relax before I do something I'm gonna regret. Let me just relax before I do. See that? Like, these are the ones for real. Let's see. Posted my trade in the Discord. Let me see what you got. Okay, yeah, I see what you're looking. Yeah, that gold went nuts, bro. That gold is going solid now too. Gold and US 30 were definitely the best ones. Gold and YM were definitely like the plays for sure. Gotta make a long. Gold and YM definitely just. See, why couldn't NASDAQ just do like YM did, bro? Like, come on. See, like, now the NASDAQ... This thing, I think this is going to go right back up to the upside, guys. I truly think this is going to start running now, right? We just got to close back above, the 50-period moving average. Yeah, this thing is about to run. It's about to go to where my TP initially was. And I'm just going to watch it all do it. And then I'm going to go ahead and cry in my corner. And, yeah. About to go ask my mama for a hug at this point. Hey man, again, we still ended the week in profit, man. Again, not much whatsoever, especially on 100K account. Like, if we really look at it, right, we ended up taking 3 trades this week. 2 of them I ended up taking 2 losses, but they were extremely small losses. We took 1 win off stream, and then we took another one today. We didn't even in the win off stream, we really didn't do anything with, right? Because I ended up closing it really quickly. But the 1 win that we just took right now with that 1 contract that we closed ended up essentially making up for our 2 losses that we did take. So hey man, it's still a W week, right? It's still a W week regardless of how we look at it. My other accounts are still looking very, very solid, and those were obviously able to see really, really good gains on because I'm playing with bigger capital over there. But this prop firm account, we're gonna slowly but surely, it seems like. So, but yeah, we're gonna let that rock out, man. Let's see. As back in profit and real even. Yeah, again, I think we do continue bullish now here for the NASDAQ. I do see the possibility of us going higher, but I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna take an additional trade just because I feel myself just getting frustrated. Right? I'm just being honest and transparent with y'all. Right? I feel myself getting upset. I'm transparent. I'm about to go hide in a corner. I cry my eyes out. And it's just never best to just jump in off of your emotions, right? Sometimes you got to realize when it's time to just, when you're getting emotional about certain things, and, just stay off the charts no matter what happens. So I'm chilling either way, family. No matter what happens here, I'm good. I'm going to end, this count. I'm going to leave it at, up $100 for the week. We'll take that. Better than being down, especially with the super choppy week that we've had this week. Listen, I'll take that. I'll take that. And like I said, my actual real accounts, I'm actually doing really good on this week, so I'm not too stressed about this prop firm account. 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, bounce. 50, bounce. Let's see if it hits 42, 6% on the trade. That'd be crazy, bro. Does anyone know how long the Top Step promo is for? I don't know. I think it's a week or two though. You don't have much time. All right, for anybody that is wondering on how to trade or wants to trade, the future side of things, right? Because I am trading the futures prop firm account here live with y'all. Top Step has a crazy deal going on right now, right? If you want to use their platform, not TradingView, right? You can't get this deal if you want to trade on TradingView. You can literally get a 50K account for 19 bucks. Like 19 bucks for a 50K, that's crazy. That is insane, right? You have to use code TOPSTEPX, but you have to use their platform. And to be honest, their platform is actually pretty solid too. Right, so definitely go ahead and grab that, man. Don't play. Now, if you want to trade on TradingView, right, if you prefer to be able to trade on TradingView, then you're going to be paying $49 to get it, which is still very cheap. Right, 49 bucks for a 50K account, that's still super cheap if you prefer to want to trade on TradingView. But their platform itself, guys, that they just launched, that you can go ahead and get the $19 account for, right? Like that platform is damn near the same thing as TradingView. I'm pretty sure they integrated TradingView into their platform. So you still trade on TradingView on their actual platform. It's just on TopX instead of TradingView.com. Let's see, what else the $450 payment include when I join the Discord? So that comes with the course, right? And actually, the price is actually $250 now, right? Because again, I lowered the price because typically it's usually a 50% off deal for you guys on stream, but I just lowered it to $250, right? So you guys can get access to the private section of the Discord. You can get access to the course itself, right? Lifetime access to that. You're also going to be grandfathered into course 2.0, right? Which I plan on releasing in the next 30 days or so, hopefully. And that just comes also just your, a lot more personal direct access to myself. All right, so if you want it, it's there. You don't have to if you don't want it. Again, I am live here on YouTube. I'm gonna be live here every single day, so you could try to learn that way just by watching me do things. But if you really want to know my strategy in depth, then yeah, the course is there. You can get it for $250, a one-time fee, and enjoy it. No coupon code needed now. All right, so it's up to you. But family, man, I'm going to go ahead and call it a wrap off of that. Like I said, I do think we do see more higher pricing here. I hope we don't for the sake of my emotions, but it's cool, man. Whatever happens, I'm fine with. Like I said, it's a W week regardless. And we just going to let that, that's how we going to end it. But family, I do appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all so much. I do got to jump off. I could go ahead and make a run to the mall real quick. I'll do a little bit of shopping with wifey. We got Mother's Day on Sunday. So all you mothers in the chat, I do appreciate y'all so much. Happy Mother's Day to everybody that is a mother in the building. I appreciate y'all. I truly commend every single person that actually steps up and do what they gotta do as a mother. It's not easy raising children, let alone doing it yourself. If you are a single mother, I appreciate you even more. So I just want to make sure I send my love to y'all, because again, I'm not gonna be live tomorrow. But yeah, I hope you guys have a phenomenal rest of the week, a phenomenal weekend. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers in the building. I appreciate y'all. I love you guys so much. And I hope you guys have a phenomenal rest of your guys' day. But family, love you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm going to talk to you guys later. If y'all need me, join the Discord. Hit me up on the Discord and I got y'all. But family, love you guys. Appreciate y'all, man. Have a great rest of y'all day. Let's get it.